Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leanna if you're new, and today I am doing this look. Many people may know that my favorite Kardashian sister is Miss Kimberly. I don't really know who knows that. I mean, I'll tell you if you ask, but I don't know if a lot of people know that actually.
I can't believe I forgot to tell you guys this, but my favorite Kim moments are when she lost her diamond earring and when she's taking selfies in the car when Chloe's about to go to jail.
I know for some people it is very controversial to like members of the Kardashian family, but I personally like Kim because she is a style icon, and like it or not, she is a trendsetter and very, very influential. And I just feel like in interviews, she seems like a really, really nice person, even though I don't know her personally, so I can't really say that for sure, but I'm just saying, I think if I met her, she would be really nice to me. So regardless of what your opinion on Kim Kardashian is, today you are going to be watching me try to look like her. This is one of my favorite photos of Kim. I just really like the flipped ends look. And I like how her makeup always looks super simple and elegant as well. So today I am going to try to recreate her look. And this is what I ended up with. So let me show you how I got to this point.
So as always, I'm starting off with the brows. I'm really making sure to go in with a lot of product because I want that bold, defined brow look. Also, please ignore my terrible eyebrow brush. This is just two brushes taped together at the middle because I really like this brow brush, but it's so short so it always gets lost when I wash my brushes. So this is just a temporary solution. I am totally not a real beauty guru if you didn't get that already. I'm going in with short feathery strokes, but I'm still being very, assertive about it, if you know what I mean. And I'm not going to neglect setting it with brow powder because it really makes a big difference and lets your brows look a lot thicker than they are. Now, I'm going to put on concealer, and I'm going to be using a lot more than I usually do because I know how much Kim likes to contour and highlight her face, so this concealer is just really going to brighten things up and really sculpt my face. You may notice that I am blending out my concealer with a fluffy brush. This is so there is no streakiness. And I'm going to go ahead and swipe on some concealer on my nose bridge just to make sure that there's some concealer there when I start contouring. And now we're doing blush. I know it's quite a weird order to do things, but I just basically did whatever I felt like whenever I felt like, so I guess that means blush now. I'm not going to overdo it. I'm just going to add a tiny little bit to emulate the slightest flush. So since I don't have any cream contour products, I'm going to use some bronzing powder and go ham underneath my cheekbones, on my jawline, and on my forehead to get that sculpted look. Now I'm not forgetting to contour my nose because sometimes it can hide under layers and layers of concealer. And we're going back to the brows just to make sure to add some brow gel to prevent them from being droopy. Now I'm going to mix these two brown shades and make that a transition shade and put that all over my eyelid, and I'm blending it out a lot, not forgetting to put it on the lower lash line as well. We are keeping with a very neutral brown theme today. Now I'm going to take this darker brown shade to add some dimension. I'm just going over the transition shade, but I'm not blending it out as far. I'm definitely taking my time to blend it out so that it's not patchy. Now we are going in with some sheer powder. I forgot to add this into the video, but I used the same powder to set my concealer earlier so that it doesn't slip and slide. I figured this powder would be great at highlighting in lieu of a shimmer shade since we are trying to keep with the matte theme. Now for eyeliner, I'm just going to use a tiny little bit on the outer edge of my eye for that cat eye effect. You can definitely do a lot more eyeliner than me, it's just I have very limited eyelid space, so I'm trying to conserve that real estate so that there is more eyeshadow showing. Then we're not going to forget to pop on some mascara. I'm not putting on a lot of it because I'm putting on false lashes afterwards. I'm going in with some concealer to sculpt out the shape of my eyeshadow because I wanted to have a lifted eye effect, kind of like a cat eye, and I realized my edges weren't sharp. I'm putting on some brown liner on my lower lash line just to even things out, and popping on some lashes, and we're nearly done. I usually never use light colored lipstick because I feel like it washes me out, but you never see Kim with anything but a nude lip, so for today I will make an exception and also add some gloss for some shine. And that's it, you guys. That's the makeup look. How did I do? So we're not done yet. I've put on the most similar top I own, and we're gonna get started with the gorgeous flipped ends hairstyle. I'm using my Joico heat protectant spray and putting my hair into 3 distinctive sections. Basically how you do it is you just take your straightener, by the way I'm using a mini one which is way better on my hair length, and all you're gonna do is kind of pull out your hair and kind of angle the curler inwards so that when it comes out of it, your hair is going to be kind of curled at the end. And you basically just repeat, rinse and repeat for every single strand of hair. I have a lot of hair, so this was really hard to do. Now there is the pesky little issue of my bangs. Let's just pretend my bangs are the only thing that's preventing me from truly looking like Kim freaking Kardashian. But I decided that I would incorporate them into the look because I had no idea how to get rid of them without looking crazy. For the intro, I managed to kind of hide them into the rest of my hair to kind of pretend I don't have bangs, but I like how it looks with the bangs anyway. And here is the final look. I really like how it turned out. I feel like it is kind of a new look for me, and I will definitely be sporting this look in the future.
So yeah, that's it everybody. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press that notification bell, and I will see you next week. Bye!
Hey everybody, this is Editing Leanna. Sorry, this was such a short video. It was like only 6.5 minutes. Usually I don't really know how to extend these like makeup videos for like 10 minutes. So here I am talking and killing some time. I'm trying to make this video a 10-minute video for that spicy watch time. If you're still here, thank you, I appreciate you very much. Thank you for being here. I guess I'm gonna fill you in on what videos you can be expecting from my channel. If this is the first video that you are watching from me, welcome! Thank you for watching. I really hope that you liked this video and consider subscribing and turning on that notification bell. So next week you can expect a makeup rules I always follow video. I know that some of you really enjoy seeing my makeup videos, and I do get complimented on my makeup a lot out there in this world. So I thought I would share how I do my makeup and certain rules that I follow every time I do a makeup look. Like for example, I always use a fluffy brush to blend out my concealer. Stuff like that. So that'll be interesting, and hopefully really helpful. And last week I posted a video about how to start lifting weights, and I also included a bit about my fitness journey in the beginning, and I actually worked really hard on the video. So if you haven't seen that already, please go watch it, and if you watched it, I hope you enjoyed it. Another video will be coming soon in that format of me like recording a voiceover and then trying to get all the clips that match what I say. So I'm going to be talking about my hair journey, because y'all know that I put my hair through a bunch of shit in the past like year. I bleached it 5 times, I dyed it pink briefly, and I dyed it black, and I got bangs, like real mental breakdown. And I will be graduating from college next month, which is insane because it just feels like I just started and I never thought that the torture that is school would ever end, but it's about to end, and assuming that campus is opened up again and graduation isn't canceled, I'm editing this video like way in advance, so I have no idea what the status of graduation is and if I can even like make a video about my experience. But if I can, I will try to upload a little like final campus tour, like my goodbye to my alma mater. And you can expect some sewing videos soon as well. I recently just got started with sewing again, and it's been pretty fun. There's something really exciting about seeing that needle go up and down really fast. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna say for now because everything else isn't really like set in stone yet. But yeah, hopefully you are doing well as well. And feel free to let me know in the comments how you're doing right now and what's going on in your life because I want to talk to you guys. So yeah, that's gonna be it from me for now, and I will see you next week. Here on the top right, you can check out a video that YouTube thinks you may enjoy, and here at the bottom you can see the last video that I posted to this channel. And yeah, follow me on Instagram if you wanna, subscribe if you wanna, and that's it. Bye!